so let's talk about the reducing and non-reducing sugars. So they are the disaccharide that can be reducing or non-reducing. What is disaccharide? When the two monosaccharides join together and they make a disaccharide. So the reducing sugar is any carbohydrate which is capable. Let me write the definition first, then I'll be which is capable okay. So the reducing sugar is any carbohydrate which is capable of being oxidized and cause the reduction of the other substance. So they are the carbohydrate which is reducing and non-reducing. Okay, we are talking about the reducing sugar. So the reducing sugar is any carbohydrate or any monosaccharide or disaccharide. Monosaccharide or any carbohydrate means any disaccharide which is capable of being oxidized. Means if they are having the oxygen of any mono on any disaccharide, means they are having the oxygen. From that oxygen they will be reducing the other substance or any other substance. They reduce them by their oxygen is called the reducing sugar. For example, maltose and lactose, they are the reducing sugar. Because why they are having the oxygen? Because of the free aldehyde and the ketose group. What is free aldehyde? Aldehyde means they are having the carbon number 1, they are having the oxygen, and what is ketose? On carbon number 2 they are having the oxygen. So because of the free oxygen, they are having the free oxygen through their oxygen through the carbohydrate, or you can say the disaccharide which is having the free oxygen. From that oxygen they will be reducing other substances and they will be oxidized and they reduce the other substance is called the reducing sugar. Let's talk about the non-reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar is that the non-reducing sugar are also the carbohydrate that are also the disaccharide, but they are capable of they do not have any kind of a free aldehyde or ketose. So they are like, you can say that they don't have any kind of oxygen, they don't have any kind of aldehyde and ketose group. So that's why they are having the absence of free aldehyde and ketose, so they are not having the oxygen. So if they are not having the oxygen, they will be not allowing, means they will be not reduce the other substance, because they are not having the free aldehyde and ketose. But here the reducing sugar is having the free aldehyde and ketose, so they are not having, so they will be not reduce other substance, they will be not reduce other substance. The reducing sugar, the non-reducing sugar, the example is the sucrose and raffinose. These both are the example of the non-reducing sugar, and this is the reducing sugar. Now I think the concept of these sugars is clear to you. Now let's talk about the L amino acid and D amino acid. What is this in actually? Let me make the structure of the amino acid. Okay, if the amine group is on left side in any amino acid, that is called the L amino acid, which means left amino acid. If this amino group is in the right side, they will be known as the D amino acid, which means the right amino acid. And as you all know that there are 20 amino acids in our body, but in nature there are 200. So in our body there are 20 amino acids, and 20 amino acids, they all are having the isomers except one, that is glycine. Glycine is a amino acid that is having no isomer, because why? Because of the absence of the asymmetric carbon. They are not having the asymmetric carbon, that's why they are having no isomer. And this is also the amino acid. So 19 amino acids are having the isomer, but they are total 20 amino acid, but from 19 they are having the amino acid, but one is having no amino acid, that is the glycine. Okay, so there are 19 amino acids that are having the isomer. So today we just learned about the reducing and non-reducing sugar and the amino acids.